Hi there guys, my name is Sean and I'm making a video game about light and darkness. I wanted it to be a 2D platformer with a hint of puzzle and also to have very classic systems like the lock and key one. As you are seeing here, it is working and I was very happy to see the yellow key opening the yellow gate and the red key with the red gate until, as I always do, double checking, I realized that it was bugging majorly. And so the problem was that despite the nice layout that I have right here, so basically you could open the red gate with the yellow key and vice versa, and that's absolutely not how I wanted this to be. And I realized that the problem was the implementation of the whole thing. So basically, as we can see here in my script, and in a moment we're going to start a new script so that you can follow along, I'm telling the gates to recognize the doors, to recognize the keys by the tag key, and so any gate would recognize any key by that tag. So a better way to do that is by using a unique ID that we can put in the inspector for each gate and key to recognize each other basically. So from this point on, follow along and enjoy the creation of these three scripts: key manager, key, and door. Alright guys, so everything is done. All we have to do at this point is to check whether this is working, so I'll hit play. And as soon as we do that, we will realize that there is one last thing left to fix. Because at this point with the yellow key I can also open the red gate, both open. And this is because we have not assigned a unique ID for unique keys and gates or doors. So you want to go down to the hierarchy and select the yellow key in this case. Check the ID number and decide if we like it. 0, fair enough, we can keep it as long as we change the other keys. And the same 0 number for the ID of the door. Then the red key, we want to assign a different number here. So 1 in this case, and also 1 for the gate. And this is super useful because we can have different keys with the same code, with the same ID, able to open one single gate, or one single key able to open different gates depending on the ID number that you assign. So in this case, the yellow key can't open the red gate, but it's opening the yellow one, and the red key opens the red door. If you found this useful and you liked it, well, hit the button, like it, subscribe, and let me know what you think of this in the comments, guys. Bye!